Next, very important problem. This is also asked for 10 marks. Find current through load impedance 1 plus 1j. Is a AC problem. It is AC problem. So they are not given any polarity. You can assume that all the currents are going upwards only. All the currents are going upwards only, you can consider, because it is a voltage source. Okay. So we need to convert to the 22 voltage source, means the current will go upwards. 1 minute. We need to find current. If I convert this one to current source, all will go upwards only. Okay. If they don't give any direction, so all are voltage source only. We need to convert this one to current source and then to add all. So what is the equivalent voltage? If I convert these three parallel, voltage sources, all are AC sources with internal impedance this, V2 internal impedance this, V3 internal impedance these three AC voltage sources are converted into single voltage source. Then what is the value of that is E1 Y1 plus E2 Y2 plus E3 Y3 divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, where Y1 is 1 by Z1. So this is 1 by Z1 means this is Z. Okay, Z value is 3 minus 2J. Z2 is 4 plus 1J. Z3 is 2 plus 2J. Okay, now we'll calculate using calculator. So take your calculator and follow. You have to practice, otherwise you're going to make a mistake. So let us do one by one. So I will do this connection. Please all of you verify. You have to click first this button. First, I'll repeat once again. First go to mode. In the mode, what is the complex? Complex is number 2. Select 2. After that, we have to perform. If it is in a complex, it will show CMPLX, and this should be D. D means degree. Sometimes R will be the radians. Then go to setup and change by default you change it to degree. Then click on this. So now 3 angle 0. 3 shift. This is a symbol, angle symbol. 3 angle 0. Okay. Into reciprocal of 3 minus j. 3 minus j2, I have to use bracket. 3 minus 2 j means I. Close the bracket, inverse, plus 4 angle 0. Okay. Into 4 angle 0 into y2. Y2 means 1 by y2. 1 by z2. Z2 is this 4 plus j. So you have to take reciprocal of that, 1 by reciprocal of z. So z2 reciprocal I am taking inverse. 4 plus 1i, whole thing inverse, plus third voltage source is 10 angle 45 degrees into y3 is 1 by z3. So z3 is 2 plus 2j, its inverse. I'll repeat once again. I calculated 3 at an angle 0 into within a bracket 3 minus 2j inverse plus 4 angle 0 into 4 minus j inverse, 10 angle 45 into 2 plus 2j inverse. Okay, divided by 3 minus 2j inverse, 4 plus j inverse, 2 plus 2j inverse. So divide by the denominator. So I'm using 3 minus 2j. 2j means I inverse plus 4 1i. This is missing bracket. If bracket is missing, 4 plus 1i, you have to write bracket, only this part inverse, plus 2 plus 2j inverse. 2 plus 2 I whole bracket inverse. Now this answer you should get 6.83. I think you are getting this answer here. 6.83 angle 1.79. 6.83 angle 1.79. So easily you will get the answer if you follow this method. Next you have to find what is Z equivalent. So this answer you have to write in polar also. I told no, in the scheme of evaluation we don't know what we had given. So you have to write polar. So shift complex button, third option. It is 7.062 angle 14.712. Click ST button, 7.06 angle 14.72. This is polar coordinate. To convert it into rectangular, shift complex, fourth option is rectangular. Actually you got this answer, no? 6.83 at an angle 1.79. How to convert into polar means immediately shift complex, third option you select. The answer it will give in polar coordinates. So this answer we got correct answer. So next you have to find out what is Z equivalent. This one. Single Z is equal to 1 over reciprocal of this plus reciprocal of this. So we should get 1.3 at an angle 12.2. So let us do this. Take go to this. Numerator is 1 divided by 3 minus 2j reciprocal. 3 minus 2j close bracket reciprocal. This part reciprocal plus within a bracket 4 plus 1j reciprocal plus 2 plus 2j reciprocal. It will give you 1.33. Will give you 1.33 plus 0.22j. 0.22j. You can write this answer. This will give you 1.33 is the resistance value like this, and impedance plus is there now. So 0.28 ohms. That is a inductor. Inductor reactance is 0.22. Suppose it is negative is coming, then it is a capacitance. In the equivalent impedance, it is giving 1.33 means resistive part is 1.33 ohms. Then inductive part is 0.228. Or you can keep answer in polar also. Shift complex, third option. It is 1.3649 is approximately 5 angle 12.2. So this answer is also correct. So next we have to find out what is current. For that you have to remember this circuit, equivalent circuit. I'll write here only. This is equivalent voltage E with Z, and between this we have to connect ZL. This is millimonths. This is ZL. You have to find out what is IL. So IL is given by E divided by Z plus ZL. E value is calculated in the year. E is 7.062 at an angle 14.7.2, and Z value is calculated 1.365 12.2 angle. Okay, and ZL is this. ZL is this 1 plus 1j. So this is your ZL. This is your Z. This is your V. So let us calculate using calculator. Calculation is very, very important. Go to complex mode. In the complex mode, you have to write 7.062 angle 14.712 divided by, here if you use this one, no need to write bracket. If you are writing 7.06 to divide by symbol, then your entire thing you have to write in bracket. This entire thing you have to write in bracket. Since I'm writing using this, that is optional. So now 1.365 shift angle 12.2. It varies from calculator to calculator. So practice like this calculator, and same calculator you have to take it to the exam. If you are using different calculator, options are different. You can check carefully, and you have to check this should be in degree, should be in complex. If it is in radians, the angles are given in degrees here. If you are trying using radians, you will get wrong answers. And 1 plus 1j. 1 plus 1j. You can write within a bracket also this, or you can leave it. That is option. Okay, no problem. It will work. You are going to get 2.5679 means 8 only. Angle 0.649 j. 2.56 minus 6.4 I. And if I keep the answer both in uh, rectangular as well as polar, shift complex, third option, you'll get 2.64, 2.64 angle 14.18. So this answer is correct. So easily you can get marks. It's very easy. If they ask AC problem, 10 marks easily you can get. So it is an important problem. Don't make any mistake. You follow, practice 2-3 times same problem. How I did, repeat it, I'll get the correct answer. Thank you.